Thank you again for watching. This here is our video on a Dodge TXT10 gearbox, hollow bore shaft, 25:1 ratio. We will do a full disassemble, check all gearing, manufacture new gearing if needed, replace all bearings and seals, provide a step-by-step process on repair. Please stay tuned. This here is our Dodge TXT10 25:1 ratio, disassembled. As you can clearly see, lots of rust and condensation, lack of oil. Seal areas are terribly worn out. Going to be doing a rebuild and regrind on the shaft seal areas, as you can clearly see. Going to have to regrind all these gears and pinions to get back into original backlash and original specs. Powder coat the inside and outside of the gearbox for rust protection and corrosion protection. Please continue to watch this video. Thank you. Okay, here at National Gear, as you can see our step-by-step process, we repaired and reground the sleeve area right here for the shaft seal area. Hand dressed all the gearing, OEM specs. Complete sandblasting on the inside and outside of this box. We're putting a protective coating of paint. These gears are ready to go back into this box. As you can clearly see, we got all our new Timken bearings and seals, clutch bearings, anti-backstop from Dodge. Please stay tuned. See the rest of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching our videos here at National Gear. As you've seen by our step-by-step process, this is our Dodge TXT hollow bore shaft 25:1 that we did a total rebuild. Repaired gearing, repaired shaft seal areas, replaced all bearings and seals. Thanks again for watching.